it's me again, Dash19. What's up, people? So today we're gonna do something very creative. Today is gonna be very cute moments, and I think people would like it as well. And I hope you guys do, because this is every daily basis that people use. So yeah. Alright guys, so for today makeup look, it's gonna be very cute, and this inspired by Snapchat. So anyway, I know, right? Inspired by Snapchat. I don't know how is that come up, but yeah, anyway guys. So as you guys saw in the title, it said doing my favorite Snapchat filtered makeup tutorial. So I already have and shows my filter. So if you want to know what is my filters gonna be, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'll be using Amber eyeshadow palette from Chi Chi Cosmetic, and I'll be using her. So she doesn't have any name or number, so I'm just gonna call her number 31. So we're gonna go jump into the other eyeshadow palette from Chi Chi Cosmetics. So I'll be using Sunrise, and I'll be picking this pink color right here. Alright guys, so after you're done your eyeshadow, now it's time for the cut crease. Alright guys, so as for our cut crease is done, now it's time for us to add some shimmer into it. Alright guys, so I am done. So now I'm gonna add some glitter onto as well. So I'll be showing you how I do it. Alright guys, so this is my glitter that I'll be applying for today on my eyes. So let's do it. So I just took it out of the bottle or the container or whatever, and then I'm gonna grab this very thin small brush right here, and I'm gonna tap onto the glitter, and then I'm just gonna apply onto my eye. Alright guys, so my sparkling glitter is on my eyes now. So I just want to warn someone, which is especially kids, if you guys are watching this and if you want to apply some glitter on your eyes, please be careful or ask your parents to help you and don't get into your eyes. So let's go for the next step. Okay guys, so my lashes and eyeliner is on, so let's go for the foundation. And of course, I'll be using a Born This Way by Too Faced foundation. And then concealer. And then it's time to bake your face. And then powder. And then I'm gonna add contour powder. So for this step, we're gonna leave our cheek right there. So now it's time for revealing my Snapchat filter. So my Snapchat filter is Flower Freckles. So this is her. So this is me using her right then. So yeah guys, I love this filter like non-stop. I use this like every single time when I feel like I want to use her. So today, girl, I don't need that filter anymore because I'm gonna create on my face. So I hope it's actually look good as on the Snapchat, but we don't know until we find out. So let's do it. So for doing my Snapchat filter, I'll be using this face and body paint, guys. So I'll be using pink and white for today. So for the two equipment that I'll be using for today is this two thin fine brush like this to draw those flowers. So I'm gonna go back onto my Snapchat and I'm gonna see how many flowers onto it. So okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so that's a lot of them. So there's like a 10, 13 I guess so. So there's a little one and a big one. So I'm trying to like create as much as I can to make it look so so good. So let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright guys, so this is the moment that we both gonna be looking busted. If we actually like do it well together, hooray us. But if we actually flop and look hella busted, then we look busted together. Okay guys, so I'm just add a little one right there. So I am done. Oh my god, this take ages to do. If you guys are really patient like me, congrats guys. So if you guys are not, then please, you can do your normal looks or anything like that. We can have fun doing makeup together. You doing yours, I'm doing mine. So this is my Blossom Flower Freckles Snapchat filters. So yeah, so now I'm gonna wipe this baking powder off and then let's go for the lipstick. So on my right hand I'll be using Kylie Cosmetic. On my left hand I'll be using Morphe Cosmetic. So let's see what she's gonna give me like. So I'm using Kylie first. So this is the shade of Jealousy. I might be, but I might be not, so. Okay, so she gave me like kind of darkish, purplish. So, I don't mind. I love it. Okay guys, so I am done. So this is my final look and moment. So I hope you guys are doing well with your flowers and makeup, and I hope you guys enjoying this. If you enjoy it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do now and leave a comment down below, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. So I'll see you guys next time with some more makeup. Bye guys!